SOS Glass Services Pty Limited. Looking for some sleek, contemporary frameless glass for your home? Look no further. We offer expert services for all types of glazing, specializing in frameless glass installation. Safety first. Your safety is our #1 priority, which is why all our installations comply with Australian safety standards. We do it all. Balustrades, pool fencing, shower screens, shop fronts, office partitions, doors, windows, and more. Your New South Wales experts. 25+ years of experience offering glass installation for clients throughout Bexley and the eastern suburbs. Visit sosglassservices.com for further details.